Hi, this is Liz with Simply Delicious Baking, and in this video we are making blueberry cobbler. It's simple, it's easy, and it has just four, yes I said just four ingredients. It's overflowing with blueberry flavor, and my favorite part, the topping. Let's bake some up. For this recipe, you will need 4.5 to 5.5 cups of blueberries, fresh or frozen. 1 1/4 cups granulated sugar, 1 1/2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour, and 1 1/4 cups of butter. This is 2 1/2 sticks. To make this easy blueberry cobbler, you will preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a 13 by 9 baking pan that needs to be greased or sprayed with baking spray, place your blueberries, either fresh or frozen blueberries. Set this aside. In a large mixing bowl, combine your flour, your sugar, and your butter. Combine until these are crumbly. You will then sprinkle this over your blueberries. Put this in the oven and bake at 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. You can let it cool if you would like, but if you want to just dig in while it's hot, feel free.